Are you tired of feeling like your navigation data is being sent halfway across the world? India's answer to global mapping giants is here, and it's called Mappls. But is it really a viable alternative? Let's dive in and see what this homegrown navigation app offers and whether it lives up to the hype surrounding India's Atmanirbhar Bharat, Self-Reliant India initiative. Following in the footsteps of Zoho's Aratai, Mappls, developed by MapMyIndia, is gaining traction as a navigation app built with Indian needs and privacy in mind. Union Minister Ashwini Vaishnaw recently put Mappls to the test, showcasing its features like 3D junction views, voice-guided directions, and live traffic updates during a drive on October 11th. MapMyIndia, based in New Delhi, collaborated with the Indian Space Research Organization, ISRO, to create an app that provides a privacy-focused, hyper-local alternative to the likes of Google Maps for users across India. So, what exactly is Mappls? Mappls is a digital navigation and mapping application crafted by MapMyIndia. Its main purpose is to provide users with accurate addresses, turn-by-turn directions, and real-time updates on traffic and road safety. It's designed with India-specific data, making it a mapping tool that is specifically tailored to the unique conditions of Indian roads and environments. In short, it is trying to be the best possible mapping solution for India. The ISRO connection, how satellite data makes Mappls tick. The partnership between MapMyIndia and ISRO, established in February 2021, is a game changer. By combining MapMyIndia's mapping technology with ISRO's satellite imagery and Earth observation data, Mappls delivers highly detailed and locally relevant mapping solutions throughout India. This collaboration significantly boosts both the accuracy and the breadth of Mappls coverage. Think of it as having the power of Indian satellites feeding directly into your navigation, providing a level of detail and understanding of local conditions that global apps might miss. Getting started, downloading and accessing Mappls. Downloading and using Mappls is a breeze. The app is available for free download at mappls.com, the Google Play Store, and the Apple App Store. Plus, it's compatible with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, so you can access maps and navigation through your smartphone, web browser, or in-car system. The multiple options for accessing the app makes it accessible to a wide range of users. Key features. What makes Mappls stand out? Junction view. Ever felt overwhelmed by a complex flyover or intersection? Mappls 3D junction views offer a lifelike representation of these tricky spots, clearly marking lanes and entry-exit points. This helps drivers anticipate turns and avoid last-minute maneuvers, especially in unfamiliar cities. Imagine navigating a busy Mumbai intersection with a clear 3D guide showing you exactly where to go. Live traffic intelligence. Stay ahead of the curve with real-time traffic data from Mappls. The app provides updates on congestion levels, speed limits, traffic signal locations, and even live signal timers. It also alerts you to speed cameras and changing road conditions, so you can plan smoother and safer journeys. For example, if there's unexpected traffic jam due to an accident, Mappls can reroute you to save time and avoid unnecessary delays. NHAI Toll Savings Calculator. Mappls helps you save money on tolls. The toll calculator estimates toll charges, identifies compatible toll passes, and calculates potential savings. It also provides information on nearby toll plazas and supports in-app pass purchases for added convenience. Planning a road trip across India? This feature can be a huge help. Indian languages. Mappls speaks your language, literally. Navigation, map labels, and voice guidance are available in 9 Indian languages: Hindi, Tamil, Telugu, Bengali, Marathi, Kannada, Punjabi, Malayalam, and Gujarati. This is a huge step towards making navigation accessible to a wider audience in India, especially those who are more comfortable with their native languages. Mappls Camera. Capture and remember locations with the built-in camera feature. When you take a photo through the Mappls app, it automatically geotags the location and generates a QR code. This makes it easy to revisit or share the location later. It's like having a digital breadcrumb trail. Speed camera traffic monitoring. Mappls keeps you informed about speed cameras, traffic signals, and other monitoring systems along your route. This helps you stay compliant with traffic laws and avoid violations. It's a great way to stay safe and responsible on the road. Safety alerts. Get real-time notifications about potential road hazards like potholes, sharp turns, or speed breakers. This allows you to take preventive action and drive more safely. No more unexpected bumps in the road. DigiPin integration. Mappls integrates DigiPin, India Post's digital addressing solution, to provide verified and standardized digital addresses across the country. This improves address accuracy, enhances last-mile delivery, and simplifies location sharing. This is particularly useful in areas with complex or poorly defined addresses. Mappls PIN. Simplify complex addresses with a 6-character alphanumeric code, known as a Mappls PIN, e.g., MMI000. This makes sharing and finding locations faster and more reliable. Think of it as a shorthand for any place on the map. 3D Metaverse and Real View. Experience immersive 3D and 360-degree real view maps, displaying routes and landmarks in lifelike detail. View these in-app, on browsers, or through VR headsets. The tool also supports geotagging, measuring, and visual analysis of assets, offering a practical solution for urban planning and infrastructure monitoring. This feature goes beyond simple navigation, offering powerful tools for professionals. Data privacy. Where does your information go? This is a big question for any navigation app. Mappls claims that all user information is stored securely on servers located within India, and no data is transmitted outside the country. The company follows strict security measures to protect user privacy, aligning with India's data protection principles and ensuring that users retain control over their information. But here's where it gets controversial. Can we really be sure that all data stays within India? And how does Mappls balance data privacy with the need to improve its services based on user data? Who is Mappls for? Mappls is designed to be used by individual users, businesses, and government agencies. From personal navigation to fleet management and infrastructure analysis, Mappls offers tools suitable for various applications across sectors. It aims to be a versatile mapping solution for all of India. The verdict? Mappls presents a compelling alternative to global mapping services, especially for users in India. Its focus on India-specific data, features, and privacy is a major selling point. However, the long-term success of Mappls will depend on its ability to continuously improve its accuracy, expand its features, and maintain user trust. What do you think? Is Mappls a viable alternative to Google Maps, or does it still have a long way to go? Share your thoughts in the comments below.